billion working people in the world, and about 40% people would say that they are happy at work. That means about 1.8 billion or almost 2 billion people are not happy at work. What does that do? What do those people in the organization that they work in? So, I'd like to share about a few ideas that creates happiness employees. Idea number 1 is in organization when employees are happy. What you find is two things are present: trust and respect. Some leaders often say, we trust our employees. We empower our employees. Okay, the idea number 2 is fairness. The thing that erodes trust in organization faster than anything else is when employees think that they are being treated unfairly. Okay. Employees want to be treated the same regardless of their rank, their age, their experience, or their job categories compared to anyone else. And idea number 3 is listening. Yep, to be a listener who connects with all the types of people. We have to unlearn a few things. We have all been taught about active listening and eye contact. An instant stare and compassionate look, that's not listening. Repeat that. What people say, that's not listening. To be humble and always hunting, always searching the good idea possible. That's what listening is. They want to know when they talk to you, share an idea. Did you consider it when you make a decision? So, one thing that anybody appreciates and wants when they are speaking is to know that what they say matters. You might actually change your mind. Otherwise, what's the point of conversation? Okay, we all know the things that we need to be changed, the things that we need to do differently. The way you behave, the way you treat others, the way you respond, the way you support,